Hey, what's up, class? Today, I want to break down 3 ways to measure how accurate you are when it comes to different types of skills. Whether you're hitting targets or you're juggling, all of these methods will help you see how on point you truly are. So, first up, I want to talk about discrete skills. Like, let's say you're trying to make a free throw, you're hitting like a bullseye, you use absolute error. This one's pretty straightforward. It just tells you, how far off you are or you were from the target. So if you're trying to shoot a basketball, let's say, and you miss by like a foot, your absolute error is that foot that you missed it by. And it's all about the distance you miss, no matter which way it goes. Next, I want to talk about the radial error. And this comes into play when you're working with two-dimensional targets, like tossing a dart at a dartboard. Here you measure how far you hit from the center, but like in both directions. So up, down, left, right. It's like drawing a line from your dart spot to the bullseye and then measuring that distance. It gives you a sense of how close or how far you are from the center, and it takes both dimensions into account. Now for continuous skills, this is where you're moving around over time, like, you're steering a car or you're running. You use the root mean square error, or for short, RMSE. This one tracks how much you're drifting away from the ideal path. So let's say, you're running on a track and you're trying to stay in a straight line. RMSE will show how much you're veering off that course. It's about looking at the average amount of drift over time and then giving you a good sense of how steady you are. So to sum it all up, just the basic. Absolute error is all about how far off a single shot is from the target. Radial error deals with how far you're from the bullseye in both directions. And then RMSE tracks how much you drift from your ideal path in continuous tasks. All of these methods are, super handy for figuring out accuracy, whether you're in, sports, rehab, or, you're just trying to get better at something. So, yeah, that was it.